This one here tells you that it repeats every 4 times. Every 4 units. Because this is plus 4. Okay? So this repeats every 4 units. So right, we have, say for example, if x is 1, so let's say if f1, then this will be equals to f5. Right? Agree? So if x is 5, then it will be equals to f9. You can just keep going on forever. So if you sub the 9 inside here, this will be f13. Okay? Then you keep going on. You just keep adding 4 to it, and you'll get f17 and so on. Okay? But don't forget, as much as you like to add 4 to the x, you can also minus 4 to the x here. Okay? So you can add and minus off. Okay, that's the rule. So this one tells you that it repeats every 4 units. It repeats every 4 units. 4 units, you just repeat. Is that alright? Okay? Just nod your head if it's okay, this part. So it repeats every 4 units. Now, then when do we... Now, because this function is only defined from 0 to 4, okay? And how do we then find f equals to 17? Okay, meaning you just keep minus off 4 until... You keep minusing 4 until where? Until you get within this domain. Okay, if your domain is x equals to 1, then you use this function. If you get x equals to 3, then you use this function. Or let's say x equals to 4, you also use this function. Or x equals to 3.5, you use this function. Okay, so that's the case there. So in other words, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take 17, f17. I'm going to keep minusing 17. I'm going to keep minusing 4 until I get within the range. So I think 4 times 4, 16, multiple of 4, f1. Okay, so if it is f1, then it will be 4 minus 2 times 1, which is actually 2. Keep minusing 4. Keep minusing 4. Similarly with f8, negative 8, you just keep adding 4. I think you add like 3 times, which is f4. So when you scratch it, 0 to 2, 4 minus 2. So 0 to 2, you draw this graph from 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 is here. Alright? So this is fx. This is x. I'm going to use this as 2. 2. Okay. So 0 to 2, you will have here, this is a straight line. Just like that, a straight line. Okay, then you put an empty shell here, and you put a shaded here if you want to. That will be better. Okay. 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 So 0 to 2, I follow this equation here. Then 2 to 4, I'm going to use this equation here. This is y equals to minus x minus 4 square plus 4. Max point is 4 and 4 lah. Okay, so you know the max point is here. It will intersect at when y is 0, when x is 2, y is 0 lah. So it's actually this graph here, like that. So you draw a repeating unit. Just draw one repeating. This is one unit, right? This is one repeating unit, meaning this is one 4 unit here. Okay. Then what do you do next? You copy and paste. I repeat. This tells you that you repeat every 4 times. So from here, what you do is you just copy and paste. You copy and paste here, copy and paste here, copy and paste. All the repeating units, just copy and paste. So here, I will copy and paste till I get, because I need to 7, 4, 6. So this will be quite easy. This will just be like that. Okay. 7 will be here. You will start at 7 here. Because they want us to draw from negative 10 to 7. So this is 7. And you'll be here. Okay. You can search for F7. Is supposed to be 3 lah. This is 7, 3. Okay, I'm gonna pause here. Question, please ask. What you do is you just repeat. It means repeating. So you just keep repeating until you get. So I'm just gonna repeat it. Repeat this to here. So you don't need to shade this anymore. Just do this. Okay. Then repeat once more. Until I get minus 10. Be like that. Okay. There you go.